Welcome back everyone to MRD Future Tech, where we teach and provide AI solutions that you can use to optimize your business, make money, or just make daily tasks so much easier. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI automation, where the robots do the heavy lifting and you just reap the rewards. Forget those boring, repetitive tasks that suck up your time and energy. We're going to unleash the power of AI to automate the grind so you can focus on what truly matters, like leveling up your skills, crushing your goals, and building the future that you deserve. So please don't forget everyone to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to be breaking down the steps to create your very first AI automation. Yes, that's right. No complex coding, no tech wizardry required. Just simple, straightforward steps that you can master. Sounds interesting, right? All right, let's dive right in, everybody. All right, guys, so I'm going to be taking you through various steps on how you can create your very first AI automation. That's right. You don't have to be a software engineer. You don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be all of those things. Just follow these very simple steps. And trust me, you can become an AI expert and leverage those skills to make money, to optimize your business, to do various different tasks or functions. Right, so let's dive right in. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the make.com account. So you log into your make.com account, put in all your credentials, you log in, and come over here at create a new scenario. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be creating a new scenario. So as you can see on your right, these are all the modules. Now, if you want to kind of make a connection or build a connection to various different applications like LinkedIn, Amplify, Data Store, Perplexity, these are all the apps that you have. So for this episode, you want to be focusing on this one, Google Sheets. Okay, so very important step here. So you want to make sure that you're logged in to your Google account. So you want to connect your Google account right here. So this is where the connection should be with your Google account. So you're going to come over here to add, then you're going to log into your Google account, and this is how you'll be able to access your Google Feeds. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So come over here, log into your Google Sheets, come over to Drive and pick My Drive. Very, very, very simple steps here, everybody. Come over to Spreadsheet ID, and this is where we're going to be picking the specific file that we want to access. So I already have mine ready, Fruit Sheets. So that's going to be the name of the file or the Google Sheet that you want to access. You can name it whatever you want. Sheet name, Sheet 1, and then all of this is fine. So row width headers. So over here, so we're only going to be accessing just one row. We're not going to be focusing on other rows or columns, just one. So what you want to say is we're going to say A21. Our limit is going to be 2. ID all. YouTube. So then we're gonna head over to our fruit sheets and type in any random fruit. I'm feeling like maybe an apple, so let's type in an apple. Actually, your first cell needs to be named fruit sheet. And below that, we are going to say apple, and we are now also we're going to head over back to me, and then we're going to say run once. There, as you can see, it burst back apple because we added the new row and it washed it and it came back as apple. Quite easy. So now we are going to add another module. So right now we're going to connect to OpenAI. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have an OpenAI account. Then once you have an OpenAI account, you access the API key. So you're going to ask OpenAI to generate an API key. Then you're going to use that API key to connect your OpenAI account to make.com. So we're gonna choose OpenAI and we're gonna say create a compulsion. So this is where you add the OpenAI connection. So you're gonna head over to add and then it's gonna want you to log in. We're gonna head over to model. The specific model that we're gonna be using is ChatGPT 4, the latest one. So that's what you click on. They want to say add message. Then we're going to pick a specific role. Now our role in this case is user. Text content. So this is what we're going to ask ChatGPT. So we're going to ask ChatGPT for the information that we want from our Google Sheets. So we want ChatGPT to access the Google Sheets and give us feedback based on the text or the prompt that we give it. So in this case, we're gonna ask ChatGPT or OpenAI, what is the color of this particular fruit? What's the color of this fruit? And then we're gonna go to max completion tokens. We're gonna say 0. We're gonna add a new row. Let's say banana. It'll go back to make, and we're gonna say run 8 lines. So like, and there we have our answer. The color of a banana depends on its ripeness. So unripe banana is green, ripe banana yellow, overripe banana brown or black. So we have just built an AI automation. Now you can play around with this. You can build so many things with this AI automation. Make sure we also have our notifications on YouTube, so you always get the latest episodes and latest tutorials where we're going to be taking you over step-by-step scenarios on how to build different applications, different automations, just to make your life easier and also just make money. That's it for me today, ladies and gentlemen, and please tune in next time so you can learn more about how you can build different types of automations.